Hello guys, now we're landing in Guangzhou, China. We're almost there. Let's do the landing together. In. Touchdown.